Welcome back to our layer exploration. In this lab, we're going to learn how to lock or unlock a layer. So let's get started with our code. I have here created a new method called lock unlock layer. This is similar to the previous code structure from our delete layer or layer freeze or thaw or on or off. The only difference here is this line of code that we are going to add, and also the message. So to lock the layer, once you get hold of the layer table record, then all you have to do is provide this set this property to true, is locked property. So this is just the one line of code that we need to add. Okay, and another change that I would like to point out here is I have commented out the setting layer 0 as the current layer, because even though your current layer is MISC, for example, in our case here, you can lock the layer even though it's the current layer. So the only effect on that is if you are trying to delete an entity under that lock layer, you cannot do it. So basically this is just the code that we added, and I commented the layer 0 and changed the message here that the layer is locked. So let us save this project and do a rebuild. Successful. Let us now load our plugin. Okay, so let us check first the layer. We need to create the layer MISC first. So we don't have it here yet, and then we just need to run the create layer. Okay, so now we have the layer MISC and it's the current layer. So when we run our lock unlock layer method, it should still be the current layer, but it will be locked. This one will change to the lock icon. Okay, so let's try that. Layer, it's called lock unlock layer. There you go. Message here is layer MISC has been locked. Now let's see how. Alright, so now it is locked, which means that we can still draw any object from it in that layer. For example, I draw a line, but since it's a locked layer, we cannot do an erase or delete the object. Okay, but layer wise, our code worked exactly as intended. So now we have locked the layer here, which means that if we set this to false, that layer will be unlocked. So let's do that. Let me save this one first, but before that, let me close this AutoCAD. Let us now load our plugin. So our current layer is MISC and it's locked from the previous run. So once we run our function again, it should be unlocked this layer. Yeah, we just didn't change the message here, but let us check the layer now. So it's unlocked. Alright, so that's about it for locking or unlocking a layer. I'll see you in the next video.